How to log in to Amazon Prime on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of logging in to Amazon Prime Video using your PC. We're going to use the desktop app of Amazon Prime. So if you don't yet have the Prime Video desktop, you can click on the search bar below, search for Microsoft Store, open up the Microsoft Store and search for Prime Video. You can click on Get and download this application for your device. Once the app has been downloaded, click on Open. And now you just need to select your country and then click on Sign In. In the next section, you'll need to type in your email address or your phone number that you have used while signing up for Amazon. And then click on Continue. In the next section, you'll need to type in the password of your account. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password option and follow the steps to recover and create a new one. If you do remember it, type it in and then click on Sign In. And there you go, as easy as that, you have been now signed in to your Amazon Prime Video. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.